There, in this video, we're going to talk about different ways to engage our learners, adding polls, surveys, quiz questions, anything that comes to mind to get our video viewers active in the video. Let's see how it looks like. In order to have the interaction space in your video, make sure to enable quizzes in your dashboard. You can either go to your course dashboard and enable interactions for all the videos in your course, or you can go to your video dashboard directly from the Annoto menu in the video itself. And when we're in the video view in the dashboard, make sure that quizzes are enabled. Once we have the interaction space enabled, in order to create an interaction, let's click on the red button and choose Create. Now, let's choose the type of question that we want to use. Is it a true-false question, a multiple choice, multiple answer, and so on? Choose the type of question that you want and click Next. Let's add the question that we want. And let's decide whether it's true or false. The timestamp will automatically be added based on where in the video we work, but of course we can manually change it if we want to. You can choose the number of points for the question and add feedback that your students will see, whether they got it right or if they got it wrong. Choose Next. In this video, we can choose what would be the user experience for that question. Do we want it to be a mandatory question? Do we want to allow our students to retry? Do we want to allow rewatching the video? We can also take the users to a specific moment in the video that we want to. Do we want our users to see the reflection, whether they did right or wrong for each question? In the Preferences window, we can decide whether the question will be in the middle of the screen, whether it will be a side panel, will it pause the video or not, and so on. When we get to the review window, we're going to see a summary of all the settings that we chose for the question. Just go over that and make sure that this is exactly what you want. If not, you can go back. If it is what you want, just click Save. Once the question is added, it is not yet published. You can watch a preview before you publish it. Click on the red button and choose Preview. Now you're going to see the question the way that your users would see it. Just play the video. After 4 seconds, the video will pause and you will see the question that you added. Let's submit and see how our users would see that. Exit the preview, and then we can publish the question. Click on the red button and choose Publish. Yes, we do want to publish. Only after we publish the question, only then will our students see the interaction space along with the questions. Now let's say that I've added additional questions. I've already published my quiz and some of my students have actually started answering the quiz. Let's say that at this point, I realize that I've made a mistake in one of my questions and I need to edit it. I can do that. Simply go to the question and edit. Now make the change that you want to make and review all the other features. When you get to the review window, you get to choose what is the impact of the change that you've made on the quiz question. Select the type of the impact. If it's a minor change, that's okay. No one will have to retake the question. If it's a major change, users will have the option to retake the quiz that they already did. And if it's a critical change, then all the users will be required to take the quiz again. Simply save the changes and don't forget to publish them. Now that we've seen all the questions that we have, let's go to see what was the activity that our users did once they answered the questions that we've created. Once we are in the dashboard, we can see all the activity that happened in the interaction space. From the course level dashboard, click on Videos table. Then choose the video in which you created the quiz. When we're in the video view in the dashboard, there's another tab that was added called Assessment. Clicking on that will allow us to see all the activity that happened in the interaction space. We can see a summary of the activity, what was the highest grade, the mean grade, the lowest grade of all of our users. We can see how many users completed the quiz. And if we scroll down, we can see all the users that took the quiz and the results that they had. We can also click on a specific user and see what was that user's activity in the interactions, how many points they got, how many interactions they completed, how many correct answers. We can also see all the different answers they did in each and every question. So in the dashboard, you can get the entire picture of all the activity that happened in the interactions that you created. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the rest of your day.